Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing King Hendrick Motel and Suites. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Close to Interstate 87, this Lake George motel features free Wi-Fi and rooms with a microwave and refrigerator. Adirondack Factory Outlet Mall is half a mile away. Cable TV and carpeted floors are provided in each comfortable room at King Hendrick Motel. A private bathroom is also included. Guests can swim in the large heated pool or enjoy walking or biking along the trails. For recreation, Six Flags Great Escape and Splashwater Kingdom is a 5-minute drive away. King Hendrick Motel Lake George is 3 miles from the Glen Country Club and sunny Adirondack is a 10-minute drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.